Hello friends, and welcome back to Keefe's Kitchen. This week, I'm in a snacky mood. To be honest, I'm always in a snacky mood. Right? Ask anybody who knows me, ask my wife. I'm a snacky man, all right? You've learned things about me. You've learned I'm a savory man. You've learned that I'm lactose intolerant, and now you've learned I'm snacky, all right? Pretty soon we're gonna be best friends. And you know what best friends do for each other? They make each other snacks. This week we're making a snack. We're making homemade hummus. If you've never had hummus, it's a delightful Middle Eastern blend of chickpeas, garbanzo beans, all right, they're chickpeas, olive oil, tahini, and lemon juice, garlic, other stuff. This week we're doing it without tahini. And I can already hear some purists out there like, you know tahini? Well, you know what? Tahini is expensive, and it's kind of a specialty ingredient. And I know where I live, it's harder to find, and I don't use it in a lot of things. And I figured you probably wouldn't have tahini, but you might be able to get a cheap can of garbanzo beans from the local grocery store for like 49 cents. So if you got that and a couple basic spices and a little bit of olive oil, you'd be good to go. So enough talking. Let's make some hummus.
Alright friends, first things first, we're going to start off with some garbanzo beans in our food processor. This is a 15-ounce can of rinsed and drained garbanzo beans. Now I didn't peel the skins off these because it takes way too long, and honestly I don't think it makes that big a difference at home. Okay, you can do it if you want, but here's some spices. This is 2 cloves of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of cumin. Now you could go less on the garlic and the cumin if that's more your style. Here's 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add that right in there. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Fresh is best, but all I had was the bottled kind, so you know, it doesn't really matter. Now this is 4 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to add about half in now to get the blending process started, and then about halfway through I'll add in the rest if I feel like I need it. Spoiler alert, I did. Now we're just going to process this with our food processor for about 15 to 20 seconds. Take a peek, and yeah, like I said, I thought, you know, I'm going to add a little bit more water. So I added the other 2 tablespoons of water, so that's 4 tablespoons total, and gave that a little blendy blend. And, you know, you don't have to do what I'm doing right now, which is scrape down the sides, but it helped a lot. And you also don't have to add in that extra water and blend it till it's super smooth. That's all preferential. I prefer it nice and smooth, but, you know, you do you. Anyway, after another 15 to 20 seconds of processing, your hummus should be done. Serve it up in a bowl with pita bread, warm pita bread, carrot sticks, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top if you like, and that's it.
All right, best friends, the hummus is done. Now, as you can see here, I have arranged it artfully on this plate next to some carrot sticks. Why carrot sticks? Because I don't have any chips or pita bread. All right, traditionally you'd have it with pita, but I don't have any pita. I do have some carrots. So you know what, let's give it a try. And I'm gonna hold it up, do a little scoop scoop. Huh, that's a good amount. Here we go. Little snack sensor is telling me this has a really strong garlic flavor and a really strong cumin flavor. If you don't like cumin, do a little less. If you don't like garlic, do 1 clove instead of 2. I did 2 cloves because I'm a garlic fiend. Okay, but you don't have to do that. The saltiness is perfect. It's nice and creamy, not super creamy. Again, if you were to take the skins off of all the garbanzo beans, it would get really nice and creamy. Nobody's got time for that, okay? It takes about 10 minutes to do 1 can. This is not a 10-minute recipe, okay? This is like a 3-minute recipe. No need to triple the time to peel the skins, okay? This is just as good as it is. And you know what? Other thing, you can customize it by adding in other flavors. So you can add in some, chili flakes if you want it a little bit spicier. You could add in, take a little lemon juice out. Oh, you could add the tahini in if you want it to be authentic. A lot of times at the store you'll see pine nuts and you'll see red pepper, like bell pepper. You could blend in some red bell pepper if you want. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so go out, make yourself a snack. Remember, we're best friends now. And if you swing by, I'll whip you up some hummus. That's all I got for you guys. Make some hummus. I hope you enjoy it just as much as I enjoy it. And I'll catch you next week. See you later.